Hi everyone, my name's Juliet and today I'm going to talk about how you get a cover into your ebook in Scrivener. You'll see that in your binder, if you use one of the templates, you'll have a folder down under where the research is called Front Matter. Within this there's a folder called EBook, and in the template there's already a dummy cover in there. So this is the best place to put your ebook cover. The way you do this is simple drag and drop. Find your file on your computer and just drag it across. Once the cover's there, go into Compile and click on the Cover section. There you'll find a pull-down menu to select your cover file, and that's all there is to it. If you're not going to compile straight away, remember to save before closing. For more Scrivener videos, why not check out this playlist? I'll see you there. Thank you for watching.